Planning to make a purchase? OneMoreView.com is here to help you make the best choice. Our expert reviews will help you select the right product. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best fake teeth available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints, as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best fake teeth, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. One More View present top 5 best fake teeths. Let's get started with the list of the best fake teeths. Number 1. Pears Fake Teeth Veneers, Cosmetic Veneers Instant Snap-on Perfect Smile. Special manufacturing. Our prosthesis is ultra-thin, and the specially designed mold can hide bent, stained, missing or broken teeth. Cover the existing tooth structure. Our new technology can minimize the thickness and cost of teeth and dentures. High-quality materials. High-quality materials, unique sizes. Immediately and comfortably fit your existing teeth, providing you with the most comfortable denture care. Easy to wear. In order to whiten teeth, you can fix them directly on the teeth. The operation is simple. When it encounters hot water, it will automatically soften for use. This is the ideal solution for repairing lost or damaged teeth without the need for a dentist in a matter of minutes. Instant Perfect Smile. Comfortable and flexible, turn teeth into a perfect smile. The shape and size of the prosthesis can be adjusted, so the size is suitable for everyone, including men and women. Very suitable for daily use in work, school, parties, weddings and family celebrations. For important occasions, this is a good temporary solution. Guarantee. A safer cosmetic shelf. It hides missing /curved dirty broken teeth. We know you will like them, and we will serve you wholeheartedly. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Temporary Tooth Repair Kit. For the filling repair, missing gaps or broken teeth. Works great for instant and temporary use, as well as it can do you a favor in smiling. Make your teeth looking natural and perfect. Natural tooth color. The teeth veneers is made of natural tooth color and is suitable for most people. So it looks like your natural teeth while wearing it, so no need to feel embarrassed. User-friendly item. Is made of high quality and totally safe material. You can rest assured to use it. Other functions. Thermal beads just need to be placed in hot water and can be customized repeatedly. Use it to customize cosplay canine teeth, DIY, handles and knobs, model making, prototyping, and more. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Fake Teeth Veneers for Teaching and Temporary Braces Cover. Specially designed cosmetic teeth veneer, top and bottom units work for deformity teeth, making your stained or missing teeth covered with nice looking and smile confidently. The size can be adjustable after putting into boiling water before use, which allows it fits most people, quite easy for use to make you smile instantly. The full set of cosmetic teeth is an excellent tool in teeth whitening and your oral care. Warmly welcome to have a temporary smile comfort fit. Saving cost to have teeth whitening effective, smart smile and smart life. It's a great alternative to expensive braces. Beautiful denture teeth veneer in natural tooth color makes you more confidently smile while talking together with your loved one. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. JMBK Veneer Teeth. Material: 5th generation dental veneers. They are made of silica gel, non-toxic and harmless, can give you the freedom to smile and drink without making you feel any discomfort in your mouth when wearing. Reusable temporary smile device. Bring you confidence. The instant temporary teeth are designed into a proper shape to cover curved, spotted, missing and incomplete teeth, practical for you to use and replace in daily life. Bring you a shining smile to show your confidence and have a nice day. Way to use. Each box contains a pair of tooth top and bottom cosmetic veneer and a pair of enamel adhesives, which dissolve and soften when exposed to hot water. Then it can be directly applied with whitening tooth cover on the teeth, with beautiful big white teeth, easy for you to apply. Quick whitening. The cosmetic teeth feature tooth whitening made with ultra-thin technology, which fit well with your teeth to give you a set of white teeth immediately. Almost no one will notice that you're actually wearing a set of denture. Convenient to use. The Dentures cosmetic teeth are suitable for covering irregular, spotted, missing and cracked teeth. Easy for you to clean. You can store them into the box after using. Whether you go on a date, take a picture or go to a party, convenient for you to carry them anywhere you want, saving you much time and energy. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 5. 8 pieces instant veneers, Dentures fake teeth smile. Package content. There are 8 pieces Dentures fake teeth, with 1 piece of mini tweezers, enough to meet your daily needs, and for replacement, and bring you widening and confident smile, making you more charming and attractive. Practical tool for you. Our Smile Serrated Denture teeth can help you cover missing, irregular, stained and chapped teeth effectively, and allow you to have nice-looking teeth easily. You can smile more confidently, and does not affect your daily life. Natural and invisible. The color of our denture is almost the same as natural teeth color, so it is suitable for most people to apply. What's more, when you wear it, it looks like your natural teeth, so you don't need to feel embarrassed about wearing it. Simple to operate and clean. Soak the silica gel strip in hot water first, then use mini tweezers to put the silica gel strip into the fake teeth, and put the fake teeth on your own teeth. Finally adjust it to your comfortable position. It is very convenient, easy to clean, and also reusable. Note and safety warning. The top fake teeth is just to help you instantly improve the appearance. Please be careful not to use this product when exercising, smoking, or drinking hot beverages. At the same time, the duration of each wear should not exceed 8 hours. Check product link and price on video description below.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.